if I told you AI, no, not Allen Iverson, AI like ChatGPT could optimize your restaurant's marketing, more specifically, your email marketing? Well, come on a journey with me. I'm gonna show you a 4-step process of how your restaurant could be using ChatGPT to find out more information about your customer database, but more importantly, what to send them. And we're not just gonna do guesswork. I'm gonna show you the actual prompts that we're gonna use to work with one of our clients, Wooden Paddle. Come with me. But before we get into the cool shit with AI, why does this even matter? Why does targeting matter? Why not just take your email list and blast everybody the same old crap? Here's why. Not everybody on the list is the same. You've got men, you've got women. You've got new, frequent, and lost. You've got people that may have used your opt-in offer in your loyalty program, but nothing else. You might have customers that have used the free dessert, but not the appetizer. Today, I want to take you on a little journey in ChatGPT. I want to show you the prompts that you can use to build better emails that segments the audience even deeper than you already have, but helps you pick messaging that will relate to them specifically. But before we open up ChatGPT, I want to give you a 4-step cheat code to help you use that product better to get the results you need. But I can't take credit for it. I got this from a guy named Jeff Woods. He wrote a book called The AI-Driven Leader. There's a link in the description. I highly recommend you head over to Amazon and pick it up. This 4-step process is really simple. First up is context. You need to give ChatGPT context of who you are, what you do, and what you're trying to accomplish in this chat today. The next is the role. What role do you want ChatGPT to play? Do you want it to be a marketing director, a CFO, an accountant? Maybe you want it to be Matt Plapp. The next is the interview. In some instances, not today's, but in some instances, you're going to want ChatGPT to ask you questions because you are an expert at your business. So if it interviews you, it gets more context to help you solve the problem. And last but not least is the task. What are you creating that session? What are you trying to accomplish? But in today's example, I don't need it to interview me. I have a simple context. I'm going to give it a role and I'm going to ask for a task. I'm going to ask it to give me something back. But today we're going to act as Wooden Paddle, a pizza restaurant up in the Chicagoland area. It's a higher end, dine-in only restaurant that we've worked with for a few years. I went into their database and I pulled out of their driver acquisition program the raw customer database and the customers who have redeemed the promotion. And what I've done is I've custom written a prompt based on what I just told you. That prompt is going to be down in the description that you can copy and paste into ChatGPT and work some magic with it yourself. Let's check it out. The context: I own Wooden Paddle, a wood-fired pizzeria with artsy cocktails and good time energy in the Chicago burbs. Below are my Facebook page, website address, and 4 offers that we currently use to market, to drive new business, and bring back new customers through our driver acquisition program. I want to send these customers a one-off email that gets them to take action on the offers they still have available to them. Your role: acting as a restaurant marketing expert who understands customer data as well. The task: please give me a few email campaigns using the CSV file I have attached. One CSV file is our raw customer database. The other is for our customers who have redeemed an offer. The raw CSV has customers' gender and type of customer they are, new, frequent, or lost. The redeemed CSV has the offer they've already used. And then below is the information on the restaurant. What I'm going to do is copy and paste this into ChatGPT, and I'm gonna let it work its magic. Now, it might ask me questions back, which is good because it's gonna give it more context to create the optimal situation. Little tip in ChatGPT: when you have the free account, you have limited availability. When you upgrade to, say, the $20 account, they are learning off your data, meaning what you put in here isn't necessarily private to you, and other people could possibly learn off of what you put. I recommend you upgrade to the Teams account, which makes all of your stuff on lockdown. I have the Teams account, so what I put in here is private and going to only be seen by us. I'm going to attach the 2 documents that I have from this client. I have the raw database, and then I have a database of the customers who have used a promotion inside our driver acquisition program. Next, I'm gonna copy and paste what I just told you. One of the reasons I copy and paste from another document into ChatGPT is that when you hit that return button, it goes. And I find myself typing and hitting the return button. So I do this in Google Docs and then paste my stuff in here. So we've got that pasted. Let's hit and let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. Now this could take 30 seconds, this could take 5 minutes, but it's gonna bring back some suggestions and give you something you've never had before: a marketing marketing director. Here we go, it's worked its magic. Here are a few email campaign ideas based on the customer data analysis. Email campaign number 1, your exclusive VIP treats are waiting. Subject line, Dave, don't forget your freebies at Wooden Paddle. Body, hey Dave, we noticed you haven't used all your exclusive VIP rewards yet. You still have 3 delicious treats awaiting you, free pasta, free snack, free dessert. We'd love to see you come again and redeem one of these. Claim your reward, and it's got a link where you would put your call to action there. Hurry, these offers won't last forever. See you soon, the Wooden Paddle team. Now it's given me 3 suggestions here. You don't have to end with this. You can fire back at it and say, hey, get a little more creative. Would you include something from my website? Can you tell a story? So let's try that. I'd like tad more creative. I click enter and it's gonna work its magic. It's gonna go online and it's gonna do something cool. And you can see here, absolutely, let's infuse some Wooden Paddle unique flair into these email campaigns to make them irresistible as your wood-fired pizzas. They have gotten a little zestier. My friends, the reason I wanted to show you this was to give you an idea of what you can do with ChatGPT to make your life easier. You're a restaurant owner. You have one of the hardest jobs I've ever seen. You don't have time to constantly think up marketing ideas. But if you learn how to harness AI, you can take your marketing tasks, automate them a little more, and have it do the work for you. For many of you, making pizza is really damn easy, but marketing's hard. And a lot of you don't have people like my team at your disposal. But if you leverage ChatGPT and a lot of the tools available online, you can make things a lot easier. In this case, I uploaded 2 files, a few paragraphs, and it spit out some magic. Marketing is all about planning and execution. Hopefully this video and this tool and this prompt, which by the way, copy and paste below, will make your life a little easier and make your marketing more personalized. That's all I got. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe below, tell your friends, and let's go on a journey together.